What does Alex the Lion say?
Alex the lion, he got blood. He got blood. Because there's something like that in the blah blah blah.
Don't touch it.
I said because something like that in the blah blah blah. I think y'all put me in my room, then I got now in my head.
Who?
I think y'all put me in my room, then I got now in my head.
When was that? Come back.
Whoa.
Apparently, he got pushed by my nephew and got hit in the head. So what happened?
I got now in my head.
How?
I got the right mask. I put it right here.
But how did you get an owie? Who gave you the owie?
Isaiah did.
Isaiah? What did Isaiah do? What did Isaiah do?
That's the better one.
What?
The better. Yeah. The bird.
Who's your best friend? Is it Fetty?
No, it's Isaiah.
Isaiah's your best friend? What do you guys do? What do you guys play? You guys play with your boom booms?
Blah blah blah. Yeah, that's bacon. Out. No. Out. No. Out. And to something like in the blah blah blah. That's
Don't jump.
right.
What were you watching?
I was watching Railroad.
What were they making?
They're making food, my pizza.
Where's your pizza?
It's way, way there.
It's way, way there. Why don't you eat it?
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Where are you going?